In this video, we review Capitalize 401k. Have you used Capitalize 401k before? What was your experience? Leave your Capitalize 401k review in the comments section below. Capitalize 401k is a relatively new service aiming to simplify and optimize the process of managing and rolling over 401k accounts. It caters to individuals who have accumulated multiple 401ks throughout their careers and wish to consolidate them into a more manageable and potentially higher-performing account. According to recent data, over 25% of American workers have multiple 401k accounts from previous employers, yet nearly half of them never take the step to consolidate. Capitalize 401k seeks to address this issue by providing an easy-to-use platform to roll over accounts and avoid the potential loss of investment growth from forgotten or inactive plans. In addition, the average American loses $1,200 annually by failing to properly manage their 401k rollovers. The service's goal is to save users time, money, and unnecessary fees while enhancing retirement planning. One of Capitalize 401k's strongest points is its simplicity. The service's platform streamlines the rollover process, removing much of the complexity typically associated with transferring 401k accounts from one provider to another. Users can easily connect their old and new accounts with just a few clicks, and the service does most of the heavy lifting. This makes it an attractive option for those who find the idea of navigating multiple 401k statements and paperwork overwhelming. By offering a clear and transparent process, Capitalize helps users avoid costly mistakes such as missing rollovers or inadvertently triggering taxes and penalties. Many users have praised the ease with which they could initiate and complete their 401k rollovers, with some reporting it took only minutes to finish a task that could have otherwise been time-consuming and confusing. Another advantage of Capitalize 401k is its ability to help users avoid hidden fees and high-cost investments. Traditional 401k plans often come with high management fees and limited investment options. Capitalize allows users to compare available investment choices and evaluate potential fees, helping them identify options that are more aligned with their retirement goals. The ability to choose low-cost, diversified investment portfolios means users are more likely to experience stronger long-term growth, which can have a significant impact on retirement savings over time. However, Capitalize 401k isn't without its drawbacks. One limitation is that the platform does not support every type of 401k rollover. Some complex cases, such as those involving employer stock or outstanding loans, may not be fully accommodated. Additionally, Capitalize's service is not free. While it may save money in the long run by reducing fees and simplifying the process, the upfront cost can be a turnoff for users who prefer to keep things entirely cost-free. In particular, users must be aware that Capitalize charges a service fee based on the size of the 401k rollover, which can add up, especially for individuals with large retirement accounts. Some users have voiced concerns about the transparency of these fees, with unclear communication about what exactly they are paying for and when fees apply. Another challenge is that Capitalize 401k is not a full-service retirement planning tool. While it excels in 401k rollovers, users looking for broader financial advice or more comprehensive retirement planning may find the platform somewhat lacking. Those who are interested in personalized investment strategies or deeper financial analysis may need to look elsewhere. Some reviews indicate that while Capitalize helps with managing 401k rollovers, it does not offer the same range of features as other established retirement platforms. Despite these concerns, many users find that Capitalize 401k's ease of use, efficiency, and cost-saving potential make it a worthwhile service. As more individuals seek to optimize their retirement planning and manage their multiple 401k accounts, Capitalize 401k fills an important gap in the financial services market. For anyone overwhelmed by the prospect of managing multiple retirement accounts, Capitalize presents a solution that can make a real difference in terms of time and money saved. However, as with any financial tool, it's essential to understand the costs involved and ensure that the service fits your individual needs and long-term retirement goals.